Hi, I'm Margaret Martin Guide, and today I'm going to give you a very important tip on how to reduce your hip pain. Most people don't realize that our gluteus medius muscle, right about where my hand is here, is so critical for keeping us in balance when we're on one foot. I often will have people that come to see me for hip pain, they go back, they're feeling better, they come back and they're feeling worse again. And so then I'm like, well, what did you do in between our visits? Because I know, we're moving along the right track. And they then will often say to me, well, nothing, but after I got dressed, it was bothering me again. So I'll ask them, well, do you sit down when you put your pants on? And they'll often say, no, I like to get dressed standing. And they do that. And I said, well, do you have a reason why you get dressed standing instead of sitting on your chair or sitting on your bed? And they said, well, because it helps me work on my balance. Well, if you want to work on your balance, I highly recommend that you look at some of the videos that we've created on balance. If you're wanting to get dressed and protect your hip, I highly recommend that you just get dressed with your butt in a safe place so that your gluteus medius muscle doesn't get strained. When we're balancing and trying to dress at the same time, and so if I'm going to show you from here, if I'm putting one foot in, now this gluteus medius muscle is working really hard. And so if your gluteus muscle is a little bit weak, your gluteus medius, and you catch your pant or you're doing a little bit of this, that muscle is working very hard. And if it's already feeling strained and you have a little bit of pain, it's going to make it way worse. So be nice to yourself, get your butt on a safe spot when you're getting your underwear on or your pants on for the day, and you have a much happier hip, and then work on your balance exercises when you're ready. I'm Margaret Familiar Guide. If you liked today's episode, please feel free to subscribe. If you don't want to miss any future notifications, that's what the notification button is for. And if you want to find out more about my books, my videos, and my balance series, you can click down into the description box below. Thanks for joining me, and I wish you a lovely day.